Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto jalapeno cornbread. Hey guys, this jalapeno cornbread is so good, but it's also versatile because if you just pull the jalapenos out, it's just regular old cornbread or regular old keto cornbread, and it is delicious. So we're going to start with 2 cups of almond flour, and I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Stir that in. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of melted butter, 4 large beaten eggs, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup of heavy cream, and I've got 3 tablespoons of diced jalapenos. This was a 1 large jalapeno. If you want it to be spicy, you can leave the seeds. We took the seeds out. If you want more jalapeno flavor, you can do more jalapeno. So we're going to stir all of this together, and that will be it for our batter. You can cook this in a cast iron skillet. You just want to make sure and oil it really well. I'm just going to use a pie plate that I sprayed really well with cooking spray. So this is ready to go. We're going to put it in our pie plate. Just dump it in. I'm going to spread it out, make sure it's an even layer. Okay, this is going to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. You want to make sure that a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, we've got our cornbread out of the oven. It looks fantastic. I've already cut it into 8 servings. So yeah, let's get a piece out and see how good it tastes. So fluffy. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at how good that looks. Let's try a bite. It's so fluffy. It's got so much flavor. It's not too spicy, not spicy at all. So if you want to add some spice, you can put some of the jalapeno seeds in there or more jalapenos. But I don't like spicy, so it is perfect for me. This would go perfectly with my Italian vegetable soup. So good, that's what I'm having for lunch today. So check out that recipe too. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.